Coins not crediting in Cash Giraffe usually happens when the app fails to properly track your gameplay session, or when the reward sync delays between the game and the app server. By the end, you'll understand why coins stop showing up, how Cash Giraffe tracks rewards, and the exact fixes that usually restore missing credits. Start with how the system works. Cash Giraffe only credits coins after it confirms that you played a supported game through the app. That confirmation comes from session tracking data sent back to Cash Giraffe servers. Now explain the most common failure. If the session is interrupted or not fully detected, the coins won't appear in your balance. Now explain what causes that. Switching apps too quickly, closing the game early, or losing connection during gameplay can break tracking. Now, explain the first fix. Always launch games directly from inside Cash Giraffe and let the game run for a consistent session. Now explain sync delays. Sometimes coins are earned but delayed due to server syncing issues. Now, explain what to do. Close Cash Giraffe completely and reopen it to force a refresh of your balance. Now explain cache problems. Corrupted cache data can prevent updated coin balances from showing correctly. Now explain the fix. Go into your phone settings, find Cash Giraffe, and clear the app cache. Now explain connection issues. Unstable internet can stop reward data from updating in real time. Now, explain what to try. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to force a fresh connection to the server. Now, explain device restrictions. Battery saver mode can block background tracking and delay coin updates. Now explain the fix. Disable battery optimization for Cash Giraffe so it can run without restrictions. Now explain a hidden factor. Some coins are processed in batches, so they may appear after a delay instead of instantly. Now summarize the core idea. Cash Giraffe coins not crediting usually comes from tracking interruptions, sync delays, or device restrictions. Most issues are fixed by refreshing the app, clearing cache, and improving connection stability. And proper in-app gameplay sessions are what keep coin tracking accurate. One practical next step. Clear your Cash Giraffe cache, restart your phone, then launch a game directly from the app and complete a full uninterrupted session. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe fixes that explain exactly why rewards break and how to fix them fast.